Most change certification training programs are 2 to 3 days of intensive work, which is great, but most people need time and practice before they acquire the skills they need as a change professional.
Hello, I'm Roxanne, the CEO of The Change Decision and a career change professional.
Hi, I'm Ed, the president of The Change Decision and a career organizational leader.
This change certification course is designed for you to work on a business case to learn how to actually apply the strategies of a change approach. Classes are kept small, so you can dig into the concepts, explore techniques, and learn together. During the live sessions, you get hands-on practice working on a business case that builds throughout the course. An online learning platform and instructional videos give you the full depth of the change process. In the end, you walk away with the Change Professionals Toolkit and the skills to apply them. Plus, you'll have a whole new network of change professionals to stay connected to for a lifetime. We can't wait to see you there.